Hello, hello, the Virgin's little horse resting on a wild marguerite, while bees drifted through the same patch of flowers, gathering nectar in soft golden circles. Happy spring! Hello, hello. The strange thing is that the extraordinary truly exists. XT. Just look around at nature's sign.